This is a bird that pushes every boundary to the limit, a pirate of the oceans. Meet the magnificent frigate bird, majestic but with a mean streak. Like all good desert islands, this one has a blue lagoon, where the exhausted male can get a drink to cool his ardour. Sexual frustration seems to have brought out the male's mean streak. There's no other obvious reason for bullying a coot. On the other side of the island, the booby couple are attentive parents. Time for a shift change. Dad's turn to put his best foot forward. Piracy is in the frigate chick's blood, but targeting a pelican is just a little overambitious. A tropic bird is more like it. The adults show how it's done, and the youngsters soon get the idea. A year from now, they'll be off to sea, and they won't return until they're ready to breed. By then, our chick will be a fully fledged pirate, and worthy of her name, the magnificent frigate bird.